Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you'll learn when it is okay to trade against the trend. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing by clicking on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. When is it okay to trade against the trend? A stock is moving far away from its SMA, eventually has to come back to the moving average. This is when you can place a trade against the trend. You see, the simple moving average acts as a magnet. The price of a stock can get far, but cannot stay there for very long. Another way is when you look at multiple time frames. Let's say your stock is going up while looking at the 30-minute time frame, but when you look at a 2-hour time frame, the stock's trend is actually going down. So this is the time to trade against the primary time frame and trade the primary time frame, let's say 30 minutes, which is going against the trade. Another way to look at the trend is trading the pullback. Let's say, for example, the trade is rising steadily, then it starts to go down, then rises again and goes down again. Each time the stock goes down will be going against the trend and an opportunity to trade against the trend. Another way is using moving averages. Using a moving average line can give you an idea of when a trend is slowly reversing so that you can trade against it. But it would have to be a fast moving trend, such as a 9 moving average period. Another opportunity against a trend is to map out your higher highs and your lower lows, or the reverse. And let's say you've got higher highs and higher lows in an uptrend. When you see your first lower high is when you'll probably see an opportunity to trend against that trade. You can also look at strike price changes in the options change and the open interest changes also. When the stock's price is going higher, you notice that the stock's call price is going higher and increasing in value, and as soon as the stock starts to pull back, the call prices will start to get cheaper. This is a good time to enter a put trade against the trend. The same thing goes for the open interest, as it will change as the stock moves. Okay, I also wanted to talk to you guys about as we saw in my title, the Popeyes chicken, all the rage and all the the long lines and everything, and I just had to go out and try it, and it was actually very good. I had to stand in line for 15 minutes. No, actually a little bit longer than that. There was a lot of people in line, but the people, the staff was going very fast. I knew they had a lot of orders to fill. Everybody was there for the sandwich, of course. I encourage you, if you want to try it, you should try it. It's pretty good. So today I was enjoying 2 of my favorites, the delicious Popeye sandwich and stock trading. Okay guys, we're going to stop here. Don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe. And don't forget to let everyone know what we're doing here at LR Options. Thank you. Bye-bye.